Guys, let's take a quick look at Aave here. Aave is up about 8.5% today, and at the moment it looks like it's just about to break this whole area here that has been kind of struggling since, well, maybe what, 4th of August or so. And yeah, let's see if it can break basically above this area. And, I kind of think this is like a local resistance basically. But the next real resistance will be up here at about $111.71 or so. And that's a weekly resistance, so it's going to be a little bit stronger. Now, if we zoom out here, you might see, yeah, there was resistance. But I need to put this probably on the weekly time frame. It's probably better to look at it that way than on the 4-hour chart. Now, yeah, if you look at the weekly, we really there since April. Rejected. So 3 times rejected since April. And we are now just kind of taking out this local area. And let's see if it can continue. If we can break above, $111, $112, next resistance is on the daily up here at about $119. And after that, you have another daily resistance at about $156. So, yeah, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is kind of floating around $59,000 right now. It did get a dump basically 2 4-hour candles ago. And it was basically due to the CPI numbers. Here they were basically in line with expectations, except for CPI year over year, which was slightly under expectations. And, it says that it's worse than expected here. It's red. So, yeah, I guess the market kind of reacted to that, and basically this flip-flopped since yesterday. And on a video yesterday, the last video I made, I can't remember which one it was, but anyways, I did say I trusted we were going to get a 1/4 point cut. And this over here was, something like, like 64.5%. It was basically reversed. And I said that I trust this, and it was only like 30% or whatever. But, for the 1/4 point cut. So, yeah, I think there's just going to be a 1/4 point cut in September, November, and December. So I think we're going to see 3 1/4 point cuts, and you're not going to see a half, point cut and then nothing and then a 1/4 point cut. I think he's going to do it just slowly, cautiously. So 1/4 point, 1/4 point, 1/4 point, and we'll see about January and beyond. But if we do take a look at January, I'm kind of interested to see. Oh wow. People predicting we're going to be down at 4.25. We'll see, though, guys. I think we won't be that far. I think this is more probable, 4.25, 4.5, or whatever, in January. But, yeah, we just have to, watch and see and wait. And anyways, back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin just basically needs to get above 61.3. We do have a daily resistance, though, at 60.2 that we, just can't hold on to. And the weekly resistance up there is 61.3. After that, there's kind of a big gap, a couple $1,000. And there's 63.1 basically, and then 63.8 to, kind of get over that hurdle. So I think this is going to be an area that's just kind of difficult to move through because it's only about a $700 difference there. And yeah, guys, we'll see. I don't want to get too far ahead, but Bitcoin is just basically going sideways. Okay, it's just basically going sideways as well. You see the week time frame here. It's just sideways for a long time. So anyways, guys, I think Aave is a good coin. I don't own any Aave. I wish I did, especially when it first came out, because I think the biggest example I give people is of Aave, when people could have bought at, I think it was on Coinbase at 52 cents when it came out. And yeah, this coin went back, to $600 something, you know, in the last bull run. So anyways, guys, that's all I got for you, basically, with Aave and Bitcoin, talking about, you know, CME and everything. If you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.